there, we wanted to show you one of the new products that SMH Illustration and Design is offering for families of children between the ages of 3 to about 12 or 13, and that is the cash cans. Now, you might be wondering, why is it called the cash cans? So we wanted to show you, underneath each one of these buildings is a can that has some money in it, and that's what we're going to tell you about today. This really cool design that Susan did first has 3 flat sheets of paper, and it's pretty durable white paper, of which you can either use to use crayons, colored pencils or markers, or even water paint, so I think would definitely work. And you can design your buildings to be the cash cans financial institution. So let's talk about that. So first, can you tell me, how long did it take you to do, let's do the church first.
It took me about 25 minutes for the first one.
Okay, now with that, what did you have to do to assemble this?
It's pretty simple as you follow the directions of what line to not cut and what line to cut.
Okay.
And you cut on the dotted lines, you fold all the creases.
Okay.
You can tape or glue, whatever one is comfortable for you.
You chose tape
I
because
chose
you thought
tape.
that held better.
Yes.
Okay, so after you've colored or done whatever artistic thing that you want to do with the product, then we have it divided into 3 different things that you can save your money towards. And again, you want to talk about this as a family to see what's appropriate as far as distributing. So when it comes to your children getting money, you get it from birthdays, birthday cards, maybe some jobs that you've done, helping out around the house, or maybe a weekly chores or allowances that kids are, that you've determined and they get a specific amount. So as a family, you can distribute it in between these 3 areas, and then it's a visual way for your student or your child to see where their money's gonna go. So again, you can get all 3 of these buildings. They come as a package for $10. You can get it at smhillustration.com, or you can get it if you're here local to the area in Youngwood, PA. That would be 123 South 3rd Street in Youngwood. So again, it's $10, and that's smhillustration.com, and the cash cans are yours for you and your family to determine how to best distribute the money that your student is going to get.